Hi, my name is Tomoko Hicks, and my research is about socioeconomic studies in relation to the workplace in the United States. The sources I have found so far are from an article on the Business Times website, a Galileo article, and a graph from the New York Times. For my first source, I found an article by the letter as a marker called Hidden Rules of Class Effect Workplace. In this article, some of the main points that as a marker discuss include the types of behaviors we learn in our specific economic class that affect our opportunities, access to resources, and access to connections. Here she also talks about social class norms and gives example of their hidden rules learned in the middle class that include self-sufficiency, achievement, and education. In contrast, as a marker also discussed the view of education from those in the lower socioeconomic status compared to those in the middle socioeconomic status. For my second source, I found an article on Galileo entitled "The Individual Minority Revisiting the Debate on Foreign Accented Speakers and Upward Mobility in the Workplace" by Soji Akomarev. In this article, Akomarev talks about the communication between accented speakers and social class and their ability for upward social mobility. She states that accent discrimination is related to the idea that foreign accents are perceived as low status and low class. With the increasing ethnic diversity in the United States, this misconception can lead to the further marginalization of those individuals. With increasing marginalization of those minority groups, upward mobility and their opportunities for success are also more limited. For my third source, I am using this graph from the New York Times that breaks down the components of social class. From this graph, you can see that occupation, income, wealth, and education are factors that are used to determine your social class. The 5 levels of social class are divided into bottom fifth, lower middle, middle, upper middle, and top fifth. Because this is an interactive graph on the New York Times website, you can also look into how income affects your social mobility. While I have not completed all of my research yet, I think that social class and its effect on careers and occupations is an important subject to study, and I am very interested in writing about this topic for my research paper.